Our next speaker is Ahmed Amar, Technology Evangelist and author, discussing adoption and adaptation of standardized global e-government technical trends. Can you please welcome him to the stage?
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you. As you can see, the title is about standardization, adopting and adaptation of standard global e-government technological trends. So there is no secret basically with regards to the e-government trends, technological trends, because the cloud has emerged as one of the phenomenal factor, or it's a driving force where all your apps, and today you talk about the mobile app, you talk about different things, responsive design, and so many new things which we can help the citizens and residents to have the needed service available on their respective devices. Basically, the presentation will be around this particular area where we talk about unification and homogenization of heterogeneous environment, and we are talking about standardization in terms of the IT asset assessment and documenting the current state of IT and its processes, and we undertake the hardware, software, firmware, and also the new trend is about the software-defined networks, which is becoming an integral part of the IT ecosystem. And again, this is all about, there is nothing hidden about the SMAC, which is the social, mobile, analytics, and as well as the cloud. And that ACI is about availability, confidentiality, integrity, those kind of things we'll be trying to explore. Basically, when we talk about the standardization, why we do standardization, why we need standardization. Standardization in terms of the processes which are in place, standardization of the services, standardization of the services which is catered with a different department, because basically when we are talking about delivering a specific service to a citizen, to a resident, or to the business, or to the government agencies, there are so many things we are talking about. From the technological perspective, we undertake what is the architecture, what are the protocols, what are the hardware, what are the softwares installed, what are the geographic locations, what are the problems with regards to the connectivity. I usually used to say, technology cannot be delivered without having a stable connectivity. So before we talk about the emerging factors and the transformations and so on, it is not going to be possible without having a stable connectivity. So stable connectivity is one of the major elements for the improved customer experience. So customer could be your resident, could be a citizen, could be the business, it could be anyone. That's why we need to have a standardization. However, during my presentation, I will try to give some of the specific scenarios with regards to the cloud and as well as the big data, how the standardization has to happen. So it's about innovation. Some people, the definition for the innovation is for some, it is all about simplifying the complexity. But for some, it is about doing the old thing in a new way to help the customer. And it is about interacting and taking the feedbacks. Yesterday in one of the presentations, what we have learned, innovation is about taking the feedback and applying those feedback stuff into the application so that the change can be incorporated within a short span of time, and it can be delivered efficiently across different devices. Originating, this is like out of the box. This is what I have been listening for more than 10 years, but still technology transformation cannot happen without the business transformation, and the business transformation cannot happen without the mindset transformation. The mindset transformation requires a capability to adopt a change which is imminent, change is strategic in nature, and in order to adopt those emerging trends, you need to adopt the dynamic capabilities. So dynamic capabilities in terms of resource efficiency or the skillful adoption of skill sets that requires because what I have seen, sometimes people talk about the new trends and emerging trends and technological trends, but their mentality and the mindset, it is at the same place. When the cloud was emerged as before 5-6 years, when we have been listening, that people, they were talking about the security, confidentiality and privacy, and still it is a concern. I'm not saying the problem is solved. Standardization and global regulatory laws were still they are not in place. So those concerns are there, but still the adoption of the cloud, it is happening, as you might have seen.